Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making these really pretty and super simple pink earrings. The type of yarn I'll be using today is a pink cotton yarn, and the hook size is 1.4 millimeter. You also need some earring hooks, and I have 2 beads that I'm going to attach to my earrings. In order to attach the hooks, you will also need some pliers, and I use these very small pliers for making jewelry. And of course you need scissors. All right, let's begin. To start, let's make a slip knot. From here, we'll make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're not familiar with how to make chains, double crochet, single crochets, I have a playlist that shows all the basic stitches that I use in most of my patterns. So check that out and then come back to this video. For the next step, we're going to make a small ring. To do that, let's connect to that first chain with a slip stitch. Let's begin round 1 by making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to make 9 double crochets inside the ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. So that is 1 double crochet, and you need 9 more. So let's do chain 1 and then do another double crochet. Two, chain 1, three double crochets, chain 1, four double crochets, chain 1, and let's connect with a slip stitch to the 3rd chain. So this is the chain 4 we did in the beginning. We're going to count 1, 2, 3. That's where we're going to connect with a slip stitch. All right, so now let's begin round 2 by making 3 chains. 2, 3. And then 3 double crochets into that first chain 1 space to the left of your chain 3. So yarn over, insert the hook there into that space, pull through 2 more. So that's 1, 2, 3. So that's our first petal done. Next, you're going to do a slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, and then we'll begin making the second petal. Let's make 4 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. So why 4? Well, technically we did 4 over here if we count that first chain 3 we did. Every other chain 1 space will have 4 double crochets going forward. So let's go. Yarn over, Insert the hook into the next chain one space, pull through two more. That's one double crochet. We need 3 more. 2, 3, and 4. So that's our second petal done. Slip stitch into the next chain one space. And again, 4 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the next chain one space. Next, 4 double crochets into the next chain one space. And slip stitch into that last chain one space. So this is what we have so far. Very simple flower with 5 petals. What we're going to do next is pull out this yarn a little bit more so it's nice and long. Cut it with your scissors. Pull the yarn out. Now this one tail end, we weaved it in, but I'm going to use my crochet needle to hide it just a little bit more in the back of my flower. Then cut it off so it's not on my way. Now, what I'm going to do next is attach my bead to the flower. So I'll take my purple bead. You can use a crochet needle or the hook and just pull the yarn through the bead. And that's what the top of my earring is going to look like. Next, we're going to attach the hook. Pull it through the hook. And what's going to happen next is I'm going to hide the yarn in the back with my crochet needle. First I'm going to do a knot so I can tighten these a bit. And then I'll continue by hiding it in the back. What I like to do with earrings is spray them with a fabric stiffener so they don't bend into a different shape. And if you look at it from the side, they're a little bit curved right now, so I like to keep them blocked for a day. Spray them with a fabric stiffener and then let them dry into a flat shape. Make sure it's completely dry before you lift it off the block, You can use a hairdryer if you're in a rush. I do that all the time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you in my next video.